Most people are using ChatGPT for fun, but smart people? They're using it to make money. Here's a simple method to start earning online with zero skills. Step 1. Go to Fiverr and search for AI prompt writing. You'll find people charging $15, $30, even $75 to deliver a few AI prompts. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate 100 useful prompts for a specific niche, like productivity, Instagram growth, or email marketing. Just ask, "Give me 100 ChatGPT prompts for Instagram growth." Copy, paste, format them nicely into a PDF. Done. Step 3. Create a Fiverr gig offering custom ChatGPT prompts or done-for-you AI prompts. Deliver them in 24 hours with good presentation, and your clients will love it. Still listening? Here's a bonus method. Create a bundle of 500 prompts and sell them on Gumroad for $9. Promote it with short videos on TikTok or YouTube, just like this one. That's how people are making money every single day with ChatGPT. No code, no degree, no risk, just smart use of tools and action. Try it today.